Namaste children, how are you all? I am fine, hale and healthy, don't worry. Now, today's topic is how sex of a child is determined or the determination of sex of a child. It is in page number 272. You can go through it. Now, first, once we go back to the lesson cell. This is the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. So, cell is having three basic components. One is cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So the nucleus is containing chromatin. What is this? Chromatin. So these chromatin will condense and form thread-like structures called chromosomes. When do chromosomes appear in the cell? This is famous question you studied in lesson 1, that was cell. So when do chromosomes appear in the cell? At the time of cell division, during cell division. So during cell division, these chromatin condenses and form thread-like structures called chromosomes. So every species or every particular organism will have a particular number of chromosomes. Like for example, species means the organisms which can reproduce freely and produce the better offspring is called a species. So all human beings, how many chromosomes we have? 46 chromosomes. How many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes, are they isolated? Are they live simply on their own? No. They will be in pairs. How many pairs we have? 23 pairs. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes. So, if you are a human being, definitely how many chromosomes you must have in each and every cell of your body? You must have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Okay. So, this point already you know according to lesson 1. Now, in this 23 pairs, now what will happen actually? Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are called autosomes. What do you call them? Autosomes. Not autolyric. Autosomes means they will indicate our behavior, habits, likes, dislikes, interests. Everything will be determined by these 22 pairs. Like you are a hard worker, you are a jovial person. Everything will be determined by these 22 pairs of chromosomes. These are called autosomes. So how many autosomes do you have, children? Just think a while. How many autosomes? 44. Very good. 44 chromosomes are autosomes. And what about the one more pair? This is, I am talking about 22 pairs, no? One more pair we have, no? 23rd pair. 23rd pair or the one pair. One pair is called sex chromosomes. What do you call them? Sex chromosomes. So sex chromosomes, it is in the name itself. It will indicate the sex. It determines the sex. So this is the important topic even in 10th class also. Based on this concept, a lot of questions will be asked. So now we will go to that topic. The 23rd pair is sex chromosomes. Just now we discussed. So in this 23rd pair, it is in male XY. How that pair? XY. And in female XX. In female XX. Remember, female has X and X. Male is having X and Y. Okay, this is one concept. Now if they ask a question, what are the sex chromosome of a boy? Means what you will write? X, Y. What are the sex chromosomes of a girl? Means what you will write? X and X. Right? Now, so this is 23rd pair. Okay? Now, once go back to the previous topic. Fertilization. After fertilization only the zygote will form. Zygote grows into embryo. Embryo grows into fetus. Fetus will be infant. Now fertilization is nothing but fusion of sperm and egg. Fusion of sperm and egg. Now how many chromosomes does a sperm contain? It will have 23 chromosomes and egg contain 23 chromosomes. So again 23 plus 23 will become 46 or 23 pairs. Are you understanding, children? So 23 chromosomes will be present in sperm means the paired condition. Paired, no? How many pairs? 23 pairs of chromosomes we have, no? These pairs will become unpaired. So unpaired, so 23 chromosomes and 23 chromosomes of sperm and egg will fuse and forms again 23 paired zygote. Okay. Now, this is the magic. Here only lying the magic. What is the magic? Here, male is having X and Y chromosomes and female is having XX chromosomes. Now, when they are becoming unpaired, X will get separated from Y. This X will get separated from X. Right? But what will happen? For example, male is producing 20 to 200 million sperm. 200 million sperm per day. You will understand this in 10th class in a better way. In this 200 million approximately, 100 million contain 22 plus X chromosome and 100 million will contain 22 plus Y chromosome. Is it clear, children? So, every sperm will have 23 chromosomes of 22 plus X or either 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Are you following? Right. Then come to female. This is the feature of male. So, the male is producing sperm. The sperm is containing either 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Now, here female is not having that capacity. It is having only X. It is able to produce only X. So, the ovule contain 22 plus X chromosomes. So, this is the condition of a egg. Now, what will happen during fertilization? Fertilization is nothing but fusion of sperm and egg, as we discussed previously. Now, two conditions are there here. We have two eggs and we have two sperm. Now, for example, you see, this and this are fusing. This 22 plus X and 22 plus X. So, what will happen? 44 plus X plus X. This is the condition. Now, this sperm, these both might have fused. What will happen? 44 plus, this is Y chromosome now, this is X chromosome, X and Y. Now, how many chromosomes this child is having? This zygote is having 46 chromosomes. This is also having 46. But, can you tell me the sex of the baby? This one, the first condition is girl. The second condition is boy. Okay. Now, you have to understand one more point. Does any role mother can play for the determination of the sex of a child? No, because mother is not having any Y chromosome. Who is having only Y chromosome? Father is having Y chromosome. So, irrespective of your sex, X chromosome you are getting from the mother. Y chromosome, if you are a boy, Y chromosome is donated or given by your father. So, father, if he gives Y chromosome, the child, the going to born baby will be a boy, and X chromosome, then going to born baby will be a girl. So, both the sex of a child is determined by father but not by mother. That point you have to understand very, very, very clearly. So, if you understand, I reached my goal. Clear, children? Thank you.